Okay, I'm going to be breaking down some power supplies and whatnot, but I also wanted to show off, I'm going to cause a mess here, an avalanche, a new tool that I got for the shop, and specifically for my Suburban, because I don't have a very good radio in my Suburban anymore. I mean, come on, the radio is only 40 years old, so what do you expect? But yeah, it doesn't play well anymore, and so I wanted a Bluetooth speaker, and looking online, I couldn't find anything that I really liked until I ran across this Makita. It's a job site radio Bluetooth speaker that runs off the same 40 volt batteries back here that my push mower does, so I already had batteries for it. And it also can plug into the wall, which is nice, so you can run off mains power. It's got 3 speakers, 2 2.5-inch speakers on the sides and 1 subwoofer on the bottom. Does AM, FM, and Bluetooth as said. It's got a clock here, which is nice because I've got it set up here on my workbench, and I can actually keep an eye on what time it is, which I had not been able to do unless I was glancing at my phone. And the big thing is it actually sounds pretty dang good. Is the max volume. But it's also got ports down here for USB and auxiliary input, so you can like use a CD player or an MP3 player if those things still exist really. Got volume controls up here. Does have an alarm clock feature that you can use. Got presets for your radio sources, as said, FM, AM, and then Bluetooth. And then you can also set it up to a sleep mode, which will turn it off automatically within a certain amount of time. But yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying this thing so far, and I'll be able to take it with me and throw it into my truck. The antenna, which I'm actually surprised at how well this picks up, even down here in my basement shop, picks up the radio. The antenna is in the handle, so you cannot remove the handle without removing your antenna. Although I can't imagine that you would need to. But everything is well built. These rails on the front are metal. Not sure. They appear to be aluminum. So a little bit of scrap value when the time comes. Everything else is plastic. These black pieces are rubberized plastic, so they offer a little bit of absorption as well. This is the handle, and this battery hatch are all hard plastics. The handle here is rubber, and then these back here are also rubberized plastic. So all in all, it's a nice little speaker, nice little addition to the shop here. So you'll see it, although you may not hear it because obviously copyright issues if I play music down here on video. The little snippet that I used right there was a song called The 10-Pound Float from Wolfstone, which I've had very good luck with in the past. They don't tend to go after copyrights on that, especially in small sections like that. But I might try to get some other royalty-free music to play on it. I just need to load it onto my phone so that I can Bluetooth it over to it. Okay, so I'm going to get to work here, and most of this I'm going to speed up on hyperlapse anyway, so you won't be able to hear anything at all. Or you might be able to hear something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I've just been pulling apart power supplies, all the power supplies from all the computers I took apart over the last week or two. I've taken apart somewhere north of 30 desktop PCs, and so a lot of power supplies to take apart. I've got 4 power supplies over here. One's got a a secondary output, so you can plug your monitor into it directly. Another one's got a two or three of the, all three of those switched. I think they're all switched. Yeah, all three of the others have a power switch on them, so I wanted to keep the ones that have power switches. They tend to be a little bit better, have a little bit better life in my experience. And also, one of them is a 600 watt. This one's a 500 watt. I think the other one's a 250 watt. So, kept a couple, but for the most part, all of the others that I'm taking apart are non-switched and are just, you know, typical power supplies. Some of them are still good, but I'm not worried about it at this point. Okay, so I'm going to get busy. Let's see here. Get some music rolling. transformer in there. Nice extruded aluminum heat sinks on that one. Those are definitely Greeblies. I think I need to run upstairs for a little bit.